Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone in our global community. My name is Dave Collingwood from Dahua, UK and Ireland. Today I'm going to show you our latest residential solution that will take your living experience to an entirely new level. We're also running a competition based on the content of this presentation. Download the Kahoot application now to stand the chance to win one of 10 $100 Amazon gift cards. You can scan the QR code or click the link in the description below, or add the following code into the Kahoot application on your phone. What is the current situation in our community these days? First, there are independent systems such as Intercom, access control, and CCTV, which are very common in most communities. Managing multiple systems tends to be very inconvenient, and its data is difficult to link with other systems and devices, bringing hassle to property management. Secondly, these systems often incur high labor costs. Currently, lots of communities are managed manually by on-duty personnel, yielding to higher labor costs for developers or property management companies. Limited manpower services often cause low efficiency in community management and poor satisfaction of property owners. New technology trends include artificial intelligence technology, such as facial recognition, license plate recognition, ANPR or LPR, and AI search. IoT, the Internet of Things, allows us to gather data and control objects in our homes. Some examples include smart water meters, smart electricity meters, intelligent curtains, and customized lighting. Integration refers to the integration of multiple systems or devices, as well as unified management. Mobility pertains to online communication and online services. More and more customers prefer intelligent and automated services because they are simpler and more flexible. It has become increasingly important to understand how to take residents as the core of the service and use emerging technologies to provide them with safe, smart, efficient, and convenient solutions in order to create smart living. Solution overview. Let's take a look at the overview of this solution. The Dahua Smart Residential Solution mainly focuses on video-orientated IoT devices. These Internet of Things devices continuously dig into customer application scenarios and comprehensively improve the owner's living experience, quality of life, and property management efficiency through these new technologies. In this solution, what we focus on is the changes that technological innovation brings to the residential community industry. Here we divided our solution into three major modules: smart security, smart living, and smart property management. In terms of business scenarios, our solution covers most application scenarios. Not only does it provide multi-layer protection, but it also offers diversified business applications. The application scenarios include perimeter, entrance and exit, public area, parking lot, community center, block, elevator, home, and so on. Our solution not only covers basic CCTV, but also focuses on the added value that new technology brings to all aspects of community living. Security is a fundamental, integral part of the community. How does the Dahua solution provide smart security in our communities? AI empowers community safety. A community is prone to illegal activities, such as random parking, blockage of passages, etc., which brings security risks to its residents. For these cases, it is often difficult for property managers to detect and manage them in time, which affects the residents' quality of life and the image of the community. Through the AI-enabled Dahua system, property managers can easily detect illegal activities, whilst reducing the potential safety hazards in the community. It ensures safety and well-being of residents in the community. Swimming pool detection. Here you can see our incredible solutions for swimming pool detection. Based on our perimeter control cameras and DSS platform, any unsupervised small children that are in close proximity to the pool area will trigger the perimeter barrier alarm. This will instantly notify your security personnel. This helps in preventing serious injury amongst residents and their guests. It allows the security personnel to maximize their time in monitoring other parts of the community. Greenbelt detection and perimeter control. Similar technology can also be used to protect areas where you don't want vehicles or people to park or stay. The perimeter control alerts and warns both the target and your security department when the target area has detected an entry, such as someone breaking in or climbing into the restricted area. high-rise littering, and dumping detection. We have incredible active deterrent cameras that can both notify the violator and the security personnel on the location. Violations include blocking fire lanes, throwing litter out of windows and balconies of high-rise residential apartments, or the illegal dumping of waste. Through AI intelligence applied on key scenarios, various areas of a residential community can be monitored effectively. By utilizing its deep research on industrial scenarios and customers' needs, Dahua has developed a series of scenario-defined cameras that can assist in the protection of the public. For example, corridor. Our wide-angle cameras function as cost-effective corridor cameras that can cover 2 directions without the need to install multiple cameras. Lobby. We also have 360-degree ceiling-mounted cameras, which can cover the whole scene, including public areas and entrances. Elevator. Our elevator cameras feature a small camera and wireless connection, which is a great aesthetic fit within this space. Playground. In order to cover a large field of view, it is also possible to install multiple cameras and stitch 4 camera feeds together in our video management platform. Fundamentally, these amazing features offer 2 main benefits. Lower cost. This solution offers lower costs, as one panoramic or fisheye camera can replace multiple normal cameras to cover the same field of view. Easy installation. Our devices present an all-in-one design and are incredibly easy to install. As we all know, there are many shared facilities in a residential community, such as fitness gyms, laundry rooms, and so on. Possible incidents or accidents or abnormal behaviors in these shared spaces are difficult to detect to and react in real time. To address such issues, our solution provides strict authority control based on facial recognition and QR code recognition. Only resident and permitted visitors can have access to the property. Our face recognition technology is currently being used by businesses and corporations worldwide. By utilizing AI face access control, you can use facial data or a QR code with high accuracy and reliability to control entry into your shared facility where strangers are denied. It can also accurately detect individuals wearing a face mask, which is ideal for public health applications. Overall, this solution protects the safety of your residents and your facilities. In addition, each door can also be linked to CCTV cameras to capture entry and exit records, providing useful data in case of an investigation or for the purpose of record keeping. These can all be applied in your entrances, fitness gyms, laundry rooms, business centers, clubhouses, and equipment rooms, providing intelligent access that can help drive changes and improvements in your facilities.
Thank you, Dave. Hi, everyone. My name is Michael Lawrence, and I'm Marketing Director at Dahua Technology UK and Ireland. It's my pleasure to build on what Dave has already presented and share the next stage of the Dahua Smart Real Estate Solution. Smart Living. After talking about safety, we'll now move on to the most important part of today's solution launch. With the development of society and the advancement of technology, people's living standards are advancing higher and higher. They pay more attention to the living experience and the quality of services they enjoy, which determines what kind of real estate they want to buy. Therefore, how to provide users with an automated, convenient, high-tech and high-quality living experience with the associated services has become particularly important. How can we provide smart living solutions to our customers? Here, we divide our solution into 2 major modules. One is Contactless Access, and the other one is Safe Home and Remote Control Service. Let's start with the first one. How does Dahua's solution to provide contactless access to residents, visitors, etc.? Contactless and efficient access for owners. First of all, we all know that it is outdated to open a door by swiping a card, entering a password, or using a key. Not to mention, it is not very convenient. It is so easy to forget these things. So how can we improve this? In our solution, we offer contactless and efficient access for property owners and residents. This starts with the property owner's registration when they move into the community for the first time. Basic information such as face images, if permitted, can be captured on site and uploaded to the Property Management Centre's system. Permission and authorization is then granted to the property owners and residents. For owners, we provide multiple recognition methods, which include face, QR code, and a traditional mode as well. After the owner receives permission, they can download our mobile app and use it in their daily lives. Our solution offers contactless access, allowing property owners to utilize facial data or QR codes to move everywhere in the residential community. It is also highly efficient, as our AI provides a super fast recognition speed. And we all know that in some countries it is very sensitive to capture images of human faces. In this case, property owners can use QR codes to access their property and other facilities. Here's a video that shows how contactless access works and how it can benefit property owners. After the property owner is successfully registered on the app, just open the app and go to the owner information. There you can set your own QR code pass. Don't worry about the safety of using our QR codes. Our QR codes are both encrypted and refreshed regularly. They become invalid after 10 minutes. Visitor management. Aside from property owners and residents, there are also other people that come in and out of residential community every single day. In several communities, however, visitor management is still done manually, which is very efficient and very inconvenient in terms of data recording and management. Security protection levels vary depending on different community types, such as economy, business, or luxury communities. So how to provide automated, contactless, high-tech and diversified visitor management to customers? Via Dahua's solutions, we offer two kinds of security options for visitor management, which cover general and temporary visitors. Let's take a look at the first mode, the normal mode. Visitor management, normal mode. The owners need to initiate a reservation for their guest via the mobile app. While doing so, they need to input basic information, such as visiting time, vehicle license plate number, and face picture if needed. When all is completed, a visitor pass will be generated, which the owner can share to their guests so they can enter the community premises. This will allow entry into the specified parking area, building and elevator via face recognition, visitor QR code and license plate during the permitted time. The property owner will also be notified of their guest's first entry to the community via a text message on the mobile app. Visitor management, advanced mode. For business and luxury communities, our advanced mode can provide high-level services and protection. The difference compared to normal mode is that on-site verification is of paramount importance in this mode, depending on the preference of the property owner. The permission and visitor pass can only be activated after verifying the visitor pass via face or ID card. Same as the normal mode, guests can use their visitor QR code, ANPR or face if permitted by the visitor, to enter into the community in the permitted time. The owner will also be notified of their first entry to the community premises via a text message on the mobile app. Temporary visitor management. Our solution provides a very efficient and safe way to grant temporary visitors access permission to enter the community premises. It provides great convenience to the property owner and property residents' daily errands, such as food deliveries and courier services. All temporary visitors need to register their relevant information through the visitor terminal device. Properties can capture temporary visitors' face and/or ID information according to their requirements and preferences. After registration, the system then generates a slip of paper with a QR code, which will facilitate the entry for the temporary visitor. When the temporary visitor enters the residential community for the first time, owners will receive a notification via the mobile app. Overall, the highlights of the visitor management solution can be summarized as follows. Pre-registration. The pre-registration of visitors' information through our mobile app allows the property managers to know who's arriving when. Automatic sign-out. The automatic sign-out procedure will take place when the visitor leaves the property. App-embedded integration. Our technology is flexible to allow the integration with third-party companies and to develop their visitor function within their own app. Strict authority control. Your visitors and vehicles can only access the permitted locations during the permitted time. You and your security team are in full control. High QR code security. Our QR codes can't be passed using other scanning software. Elevator control. As we all know, in a residential community, elevator control is an important consideration. In our solution, we can realize elevator linkage and floor authority control. Both property owners and authorized visitors can enter the building and other specified places through face recognition, QR code, etc. At the same time, it is also linked with the elevator, which will open it and allow access to the permitted floor, providing a convenient and contactless access to property owners and their guests. In addition, it also supports diversified system linkage, such as access control systems, video intercom systems, and so on. Elevator control video. Here we can see 3 videos. Video 1. This shows the property owner coming back home after being recognized by facial recognition, where the elevator is also linked automatically. The property owner goes downstairs and opens the floor authority. Video 2. This shows property owners can call the elevator via the indoor monitor before going downstairs. This video shows the visitor arriving and being recognized through facial recognition and via a QR code. The elevator is automatically linked to the specified floor where the visitor has permission to access.
Safe home and remote control. Our solution adapts to various scenarios, which protects the safety of property owners and residents and provides them with a convenient and excellent living experience. Property owners can view the video feed from the door phone, public areas such as the corridors and lobby through Dahua's indoor unit equipment. It supports one-click call to contact the property centre. This helps to prevent suspicious individuals and criminals from entering the premises. The owners can use the mobile app for remote viewing, remote opening of the door, remote visitor appointment and other functions, which enhances the owner's living experience. One-click service. For property management, the most important thing is to provide better service to the owner, so it's very important to provide convenient services at all times. We ensure effective communication and timely response between residents and property management through our smart video intercom system. Dahua also has several solutions for digital signage that are ideal for digital communications and advertisement notices in your reception or other public areas. These can be scheduled remotely via our MPS software and mobile application. Information release is now more flexible and convenient. It is also possible for revenue to be generated through advertisements on this platform. Smart management software provides a smart community in our intelligent residential solution. Through an integrated platform, multiple system unified management can be achieved. Concierge and monitoring center can manage the community more effectively and provide better services such as convenient personnel management, flexible visitor management, remote services for owners anytime and anywhere, flexible information release and attendance management. The security center can also monitor the residential community in real time and respond to accurate alarms in time. Dahua's unified platform supports real-time alarm notifications. Where there's a security incident or a violation in the community, the property management staff can locate its location in real time and view the scene online to check and identify suspects. Filtering of false alarms and quick response of security staff can significantly increase the efficiency of property management in the residential community. As I mentioned before, our solution is easy to expand and open for integration with third-party systems. System topology. This is the whole solution architecture, including multiple systems and business scenarios. Case stories. Also, we have some remarkable case stories that demonstrate the Dahua intelligent smart residential systems, which are deployed around the world with our global partners. These include the following. Here's a video of the Kazakhstan project.
Добрый день, меня зовут Алия, являюсь менеджером объекта Гайд-парк. Гайд-парк – это жилой комплекс, сочетающий в себе современные решения, высококлассный сервис и элегантность английской архитектуры.
Меня зовут Кужан Ахан, я являюсь директором по проектным продажам компании Dahua Technology. Наша компания является мировым лидером среди поставщиков услуг современных видеорешений. Основываясь на современных тенденциях, наша компания предоставляет комплексные решения, системы, а также услуги по обеспечению безопасности. Сегодня я хотел бы вас познакомить с решением, предоставленным для одного из самых крупных застройщиков на территории Республики Казахстан, компании BI Group, а именно жилого комплекса класса люкс Гайд-парк. Все холлы и общие пространства для перемещения жильцов и гостей внутри домов также оснащены умными системами видеонаблюдения с функцией распознавания лиц. Обнаружение лица требует использования не только высококачественных камер, но и интеллектуального алгоритма.
Все дворы жилого комплекса Гайд-парк закрыты для проезда автомобилей, поскольку для жильцов и их гостей присутствуют две собственные разные парковочные зоны, которые постоянно находятся не только под круглосуточной охраной, но и оснащены современными системами видеонаблюдения, которые обладают алгоритмом распознавания номеров и позволяют не только распознать номера в реальном времени, а также просматривать их высоким разрешением на видеозаписи, отслеживая маршрут автомобиля и создавая электронное заграждение, ставя ограничения на передвижение транспортного средства.
Здравствуйте, меня зовут Богдан, и я сотрудник компании ТОИАСАР. Благодаря решениям компании Dahua Technology безопасность и функциональность данного жилого комплекса стала более эффективней. Камеры всего жилого комплекса отвечают последним инновациям и мгновенно передают данные в пункт центрального наблюдения. На каждой входной двери установлены смарт-лок, замки от Dahua Technology, которые открываются с помощью карточек, отпечатков пальца, пароля и непосредственно физического замка. Владелец квартиры жилого комплекса имеет круглосуточный доступ к камерам видеонаблюдения, которые находятся на въезде в паркинг, детской площадке и на входе в подъезд. Благодаря монитору Dahua Technology он может просматривать все эти видеокамеры, не выходя из дома. Dahua Technology – это ресурсосбережение, комфорт и безопасность.
Don't forget to enter our online quiz now via the Kahoot application to stand the chance of winning one of 10 $100 Amazon vouchers. Good luck. So there you have it. We hope you enjoyed this presentation about Dahua's smart solutions for the residential industry and how it can help lessen your costs, as well as improve safety and living experience in your properties. Dahua. We are driving innovation to an AIoT future. Thank you.